12 days and we are messing up the last day. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the last day of Vlogmas. Thank you so much to everyone who's been supporting me through these last 12 days. It's been so much fun, but today is the last day and today is going to be a vlog. I got my Jack factory order, which you guys are going to see me unbox in a moment. I'll put everything up on the screen as it comes up in the video. And my sister and I are going to be making 3 to 4 healthy recipes that you guys can kind of incorporate over Christmas, over New Year's, over your holiday season, or whatever it is that you're celebrating. We just wanted to come together to do some fun recipes for you guys to get creative for the last video and day of Vlogmas. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're new and like this video if you're enjoying this content from me. So let's go ahead and get into that Jack factory package because I'm super excited about it. And I'll be heading to the gym shortly, so I do need some of the items in it. So hopefully you guys enjoy and we'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so I hope you guys like that. I am heading to the gym here now. So it is around 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm walking to the gym just because I live downtown and we have to pay for parking down here. And I booked out 2 sessions at Good Life. Basically what they're doing with Good Life now is making you book out an hour-long session through the app. So what you can do though is book out 2 sessions if you want, and there's 15-minute blocks in between. So what I'm doing is walking to the gym just to make sure I get that extra cardio and steps in, just because I believe the gym is closed Christmas Day and Boxing Day. So I want to make sure that I get everything done that I need to get done in advance. And walking there, I'm gonna do my workout, possibly a second workout, really depends on how my body is feeling, and get my cardio done on the stairs. And then my sister's gonna pick me up, so I'll probably see you guys once we're all finished that. But just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on how today is gonna look for me, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So my sister Morgan is here and she's joining us to make some healthy alternative recipes. But first I just wanted to touch on the Jack factory order that you guys just saw. If you have any questions at all about the stuff that I ordered, comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. Something funny? I already do have a video up about my Jack Factory supplements and orders, but there is some new items in this one. So if you do have any questions at all, just send me a message. And remember that if you're going to shop at Jack Factory, you can use code TBT to save 15%, as well as use the link down below to support me directly. So yeah, that's all done. Let's go ahead and get into our recipes. So my sister has a recipe that she wants to share with you guys. Basically what we like to do is take recipes that we enjoy for desserts and other things and just make healthy alternatives for those recipes. So you guys have seen me make cheesecake bites on this channel, a lot of times, but I have one, like literally a lot. I love cheesecake bites, and I just find cheesecake so great after supper or as an alternative. And it's something that's usually extremely high calorie, so I love to share these recipes with you guys. And if you like them too, make sure that you like this video and you comment and let me know, or tag me if you try out the recipes. But I'm gonna be doing 2 kind of Christmas themed cheesecake bite recipes, and then my sister's gonna be showing you guys a recipe that she actually came up with when she was looking for something healthier to have when you had friends over recently. So you can go ahead and tell them what you're gonna need. So basically we'll just run through the ingredient list with you guys, and then we'll show you guys us making them, and how much of everything that we use will be on the screen for you guys to see. So yeah, you go ahead and tell them about yours.
So mine's pretty simple, it's just a fruit dip. I enjoy eating apples, but sometimes I just crave something sweet. So it's just 4 ingredients: stevia, we have a maple walnut sugar-free syrup from Walden's.
I guess you could use any sugar-free syrup for that.
Yeah, anything, yeah. And then, so stevia, syrup, we have fat-free Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, and cinnamon. That's it.
Cool, so it's pretty simple. Really good. And they're very similar ingredients to what I'm going to be using as well. So that's nice as well. You can kind of, you know, spice things up, use the same ingredients, buy things in bulk. So basically what you'll need for my recipes is you're going to need the same thing, plain fat-free Greek yogurt. We like to use the lactose-free one, but I do have the Kirkland brand here as well. So whichever one you've got is great. I also use stevia in mine, so sweetener. I use a little bit of vanilla extract, egg whites. I also use light cream cheese. I'm going to be using protein powder as well. You could probably mix protein powder in yours too.
And vanilla as well if you want to make it a little sweeter.
Yeah, or add some protein. So we can definitely try that out another time too. But protein powder, so I have the Jack Factory vanilla, and I have the Jack Factory chocolate peanut butter and Jack Factory salted caramel. I think I'm only going to be using the peanut butter and the vanilla today, but we'll see what happens. I also have Oreos, and I have a Kit Kat bar. The ones I'm going to be doing today is white chocolate Kit Kat as well as candy cane Oreo. I figured they're pretty like fitting for Christmas. I don't know.
Yeah, they're good anyway, so you can use them at any time.
Exactly. So I'll show you guys the ingredients, how we mix it all up. I'm pretty sure that's everything. If I miss anything, I'll just put it on the screen for you as you go ahead and make them. But that's pretty much all you need. Very simple ingredients, super quick and easy to make. Cleaning it up is super fast, and I don't know, we use the little reusable muffin tin things. I never know what they're called. I don't know what they're called.
You know what they're called? Write them down, because I don't know.
Comment down below if you know what they're called. I feel like every time I go to say it, I blank out and I never know what to say. But basically, we just like to use the reusable ones because it makes the cheesecake bites super easy to pop out once they're finished. I personally like to cook them for about 15 to 18 minutes in the oven on 350, and then I will freeze them and then take them out about 5 to 10 minutes before I want to go eat them. If we have guests over, we'll just refrigerate them and then take them out right before. Anyways, that's pretty much it on the recipes. We hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys try out any of these recipes, comment down below and let us know, and we'll see you in a little bit for some baking. Alright, so I have both cheesecake mixtures all mixed up. Basically what I did with the first one was I used a scoop of the chocolate peanut butter protein and then a half scoop of the vanilla ice cream protein. That was for the Kit Kat white chocolate. And then the second one is the candy cane Oreo. So I also just threw in a little splash of the peppermint bark skinny syrups. I normally don't do that, so I'm curious to see if it'll actually make a difference or not. You can also add crushed candy cane throughout. I'm just gonna save the calories and not do that, but definitely do it if you want to, or you can crush candy cane on top. I just picked up these guys here, candy cane Oreos. So instead of just having the Oreo base on the bottom, it's just a candy cane Oreo instead. And then I picked up this bar, which is the Kit Kat white chocolate. So what I'm going to do now with the Kit Kat is I'm just going to use probably half the bar and cut it all up, and I'm going to actually take some pieces and put it down the middle too. So I'll show you guys that and what it all looks like when it's all finished, obviously, but just wanted to pop on and give you a little update on what I'm doing right now because I'm going to be cutting up some stuff. Once I get all of this put into the oven, my sister's going to go ahead and show you guys the recipe that she had planned for you. the fruit dip quickly here now. We'll put everything on the screen so you know exactly what portions to use. But yeah, here we go. That's literally it. It took about 2 minutes. Really great alternative to any like high sugar, high calorie yogurt dip that you'd have with fruit. But yeah, let me know if you enjoy it. If not, if there's anything else you add. I didn't put protein in this one, but you definitely could, depending on the flavor. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. All right, so that is pretty much it. I hope you guys really enjoyed those recipes. Super easy to clean up, super easy to make. Comment down below if you guys make any twists or changes to these recipes. I'm always trying to test out new things, and I'm always trying to get my roommate and my sister to try out new macro-friendly, calorie-friendly recipes. The thing I just wanted to say is thank you so much to everyone who's given us support with the donations for ADSM, whether it was financially or just reaching out and letting us know how you feel and communicating with us, listening to us. It means so much, especially during the holiday season. It's really great. We're gonna get back to you tomorrow once we tally up all the donations, because we had some on the GoFundMe as well as through your sale of my glue guide and something that I did as well. So yeah, we're really excited to share that number with you, so stay tuned. Honestly, really blown away with everyone's support and even with Vlogmas in general. 12 back-to-back videos is a lot. I know like a lot of people do this for a full month, and that's definitely something I'll try out in the future, but it's exhausting though. It's so like it's a lot of work, and I wasn't even in like most of the videos. Yeah, I spend a lot of time at the kitchen table editing, but that's, I mean, I like to do it. It's something that I enjoy, and we have lots of good content planned for the new year. We're so excited. We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. We hope you enjoyed the 12 days of Vlogmas. We'll be back in a couple of days with a new video. And just want to say, yeah, thanks so much to everyone who supported these 12 days, our GoFundMe, my glue guide sales, everything like that. It just means so much to us. We hope you have a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you guys in the new year. Stay safe. I'm looking at it like that. Like my video from yesterday. Bye.